popular samosas is called.
Okay. Is that like stuff you put in the microwave or?
You can fry, you can bake in the oven.
Okay. And these are like chips?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You want?
Thank you. Thank you.
What up, Kingdom Squad gang? And we're here with another video. You guys, we doing something so epic today, y'all. So before we do anything, I'll tell you guys what we're gonna be doing. Guys, subscribe, like this video, and you guys, we're almost getting to our milestones. Just 12 more subscribers. We'll make it to that good old 50. Once we get there, man, we'll make that first milestone, and we're gonna reach for new heights. So let's talk about today what we're gonna be doing a review on.
So today we're going to be doing a review on pretty much Indian Pakistan snacks, guys. So we got all kind of goodies, chips, and all kind of cookies and things like that. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Remember, we have never tried these snacks before, so this was gonna make this so epic. Like I said, Indian, Pakistani snacks. Y'all ready?
Y'all ready? Let's get it.
All right.
So what are we trying first?
So it's gonna go like from you to me.
Yeah, we can go in that order.
All right. So what you gonna pick?
I really don't know. So let's just get to the first thing I grabbed then. And
I'm gonna try those.
so we're gonna try something called biscuit fingers.
Biscuit fingers.
Biscuit fingers. Y'all guys check that out.
That's interesting.
Biscuit fingers. I don't know about this. Some biscuit fingers.
Biscuit fingers.
They look kind of good though. Like a good little pastry snack. Okay, everybody try one.
Ooh. All right.
What this is? What I said this was again?
Biscuit
Fingers.
fingers.
Okay, just want to make sure we remind everybody.
Hold on,
Alright.
before we start.
Oh
Let's get
Lord.
it out.
Yeah, give me one too, just in case. Just in case, guys. All right.
But no,
Just in
napkin.
case, cause
Hopefully,
sure
we don't need
guys.
these. But,
all right, let's go. Ready?
all right, let's try it.
Not bad. It tastes like a biscuit with like honey or something drizzled all over it.
A little sugar to it. It tastes a little sugar in it.
I like it.
You like it? Do you like it?
No, I don't like that.
Armani don't like it, guys.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, baby.
I don't like it.
Got biscuit fingers. It's
I
not
don't
too
like
bad.
it either though, but on another note,
You doing the water? You taste it?
I'm okay. Armani do like it.
Pretty good.
That's not bad.
So what do y'all give that?
I'll give
Six.
it. I give it an 8.
I give it a 6.
I'll give
It's
it.
really kind of good. To be
like,
honest, it's really
I'll give
good.
it 4 or 5.
I'll give it a 5.
Yeah, 4 or 5.
I'll give it a 6.
That's kind of low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I did.
But let me see the snack again. Let me see if I can kind of get the viewers some more input on it. Like I said, it does got a little honey and sugar in it. Oh, I'm dropping stuff everywhere.
That's
Got 160 calories, y'all.
a
So
lot of calories.
A lot of calories.
yeah, that's probably because it got all that sugar and honey in it. But overall, it's not bad.
Yeah.
But like I said, guys, y'all just look for a snack. I think it's not so bad, but we'll see what's next. What we got to
Alright,
try.
my
May, you like it?
What do you say? What do you picking next? It's your turn.
I want to keep it real simple, so
Oh Lord. Alright, you want to try one then.
Let them know what you got.
I got these little little candies.
They don't know what kind of candy it is.
It's
It's like orange,
Look, right there.
orange candy.
Pakistan Indian candy. Show them the. All right, so let's open it.
They look like gummy bears or something.
Go ahead and get yours first.
They do like little gummy bears or
They
something.
not the. They hard, I think.
They hard.
Don't do that. You said
It smell like an orange.
it's a different type of orange though. All right.
Everybody check y'all snacks out. This is orange candy, Indian candy.
All right, let's go.
Ah.
I wouldn't chew it out.
Tastes like orange.
It's kind of like medicine. You remember when they used to give y'all that orange Tylenol? Ugh.
Oh yeah, it tastes like medicine.
Like
It tastes like that.
You don't like it?
I don't think
It tastes like that hard medicine you
It tastes
get.
like medication. Like when we was kids.
Mm.
To me, it tastes like. All right, I'm gonna give that. I'm gonna give it a 5 again.
Okay.
You might just spend everything y'all living.
What you gonna give it, Amani?
I give it another 5.
Okay.
I'll give it a 7. But since it basically tastes like candy in my opinion.
All right,
10.
so I'm coming hard for this one. Okay, y'all gonna hate me for this, but let's get ready. I'm going for these.
Okay, I'm kind of curious to try that.
All right, so I don't know the name of this. Shenker mixture extra high fried graham flour snacks. So basically it's like Indian Pakistan
Hot chips.
hot chips. All right, so here we go again. Dang, got this sealed. Okay, I give up. Or
me
just,
see, let me
just
see.
let him open it.
Hey, y'all want to open it?
Yeah, I want to open it.
Don't open it crazy either.
Alright.
Let me try.
Yeah, give it to me, baby.
They got them sealed tight.
These bad boys must be really preserved.
I know, right?
You know what?
We might
This
have to
is like
pass
some
them.
aluminum foil wrapper. It's like some aluminum foil wrapper. This bad boy here, that's gonna look good. I don't want to bust it and then
All right,
go
you know
everywhere.
what? Let's just do that one last. Okay.
Yeah, I get some scissors or something. You gotta get that with some
All right,
scissors.
so
They
I'm
got
gonna
that bad
just
boy
go for
sealed.
these then. These are called spicy bunger. Basically chips.
Those sealed and then good too.
It's gonna be. They look like hot Cheeto
Like
cups.
skins or something.
Hot Cheeto cups.
Pork skins again.
All right.
What they call again?
Bun.
Bun. Spicy bungar.
Bunger.
Bungra.
Bunger. I don't know. Anyway.
Bungra.
Bong something.
Alright.
Bong some.
All right.
Bang bang.
Not bad, right?
No flavor.
Not bad.
Ugh,
No flavor.
That ain't bad.
that's nasty.
Nah, no flavor.
Give me that water, please. Ugh. No can do.
What y'all give that?
A 4.
I'll give it a
I
5.
said 6 because it don't.
Yeah, I give it a 6. It's not bad,
Not
but
bad.
it's just it got no flavor though.
Not bad. I mean,
A
it
5 for me.
just what it is. It's just a little spice with a little salty crunch.
You want some water? All right. Your turn, man.
Alright, this is I guess I'll get these right here. I want to try these.
What is that?
It's called aloo
Okay.
pada. I think that's how you pronounce it. Alright.
Let me see.
What is
The
it?
name of it.
Potato chips?
Alu pada. Okay.
Aloo pie.
Spicy thick pepper potato. Oh, stink. Ain't gonna lie.
He said they kind of stink.
Yes, they smell like curry chips or something.
Well, we don't know till we eat it. So, can't
Here we
say it's
go.
nasty. Yes, you try it.
I'm gonna take a little. Ugh. Oh, nah. Nope. I'm sorry. No.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Ugh.
Ooh. Y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. This is a no-go, okay? This was, you know what? I'm gonna just put that on down. I'm gonna put you away. I ain't gonna be able to do you.
Okay,
Oh my god. Yes, sir.
No. Yeah.
can I get my water now?
Ugh.
Gosh.
That's upsetting. Ugh.
That's like a snack if you depressed or something.
Yeah, that would make me more depressed eating that.
So, I'm gonna try the Monica, what is like cookies or some crackers?
Mm-hmm.
Monica classic crackers.
Cracker.
Alright, check it out. Let's see how good these bad boys are here. Hopefully at least taste like some Ritz crackers or something.
I doubt it. Don't do Ritz like that.
Oh, no,
They
bad
kind of
boy.
look like Ritz though.
Like some Ritz crackers.
Yeah. Indian style. Stop playing with them.
Smell
They
good.
don't smell like Ritz. I'm sorry.
It's what you mean. How Ritz? I ain't know Ritz had a smell.
They do. It's
They Ritz, you got like a
like
little.
a sweet.
Okay, well,
All right.
let's let the people see. Let's go ahead and see what's up on this snack.
Ugh.
It's not bad.
You want a regular cracker?
Okay.
It actually tastes. It always tastes just like a Ritz
I can
cracker.
deal with this. Okay.
That ain't too bad.
It tastes like a Ritz cracker.
It's a little saltier, but it's doable. Which I rate it.
I'll give it a 7.
It's something too.
I give it
5 or
a 6.
6. Yeah.
A 6.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright.
who next? Vaya, you next. This yours, Vaya? Yeah, we need to get another napkin for eating.
They ain't playing.
Actually, oh yeah, I'll choose these.
What's that?
No gumballs, candies.
Okay. Okay, so let's show them.
And this is the back of it that you can see.
Put it to the, so they can see. All right. You know how to do it?
We
Need
should
help?
have a little package for you. I
See.
need help.
Well, actually, dang, they swear.
They act like
They
somebody
got
gonna
this.
break into them.
You gotta
It better be good.
stand on packages so you getting simped overseas.
Oh yeah.
So they probably gotta make sure that stuff packaged real good, probably.
Open it with your teeth.
No, ain't put my mouth on it.
Yeah, something in my mouth still got a bad taste. So I gotta get drinking this water or something.
Yeah, me too. The thing that got in my mouth that got a bad taste is probably
Dad.
is this and this right here. These just got a bad taste.
Yeah, we over here struggling to open these
Ugh.
snacks up. Let me just go get some scissors to be done.
Some scissors.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know. There's something in my mouth had a bad taste. I'm gonna give my honest opinion. This tastes like candy, medicine candy.
I know that's what it tastes like.
This tastes like I don't know. It just tastes. It got.
That's, I don't know.
It got some like weird. Taste.
I got angry immediately, you know. Okay.
All right.
I got
So
angry.
let's try this out. Get yours first.
And they what? What color is that?
It's like chocolate and it's like chocolate.
I know it may
and-
not be like no onion candy or nothing like that. It look like a little small onion covered in chocolate. I mean,
You know,
something.
how this is like
It's like a peppermint. It's like a peppermint.
All right.
it smell like a peppermint. It does smell like a peppermint.
I'm gonna take a tiny bite. Ow! Ow!
Can't bite it. It's too hard. Okay.
It tastes like medicine. Like medicine.
That's
It tastes like what's that medicine they give
Menthol, like
It tastes like icy hot.
Yeah.
God damn.
yeah.
It tastes like some type of candy. Some not candy, but
Like what?
medicine.
Yeah,
Look it up.
medicine. So
Yeah.
so far, all their candies, guys, have been tasting like.
Nah,
To
I take
me.
that back. The orange candy was pretty decent.
That was nasty.
That was
Medicine
good.
too, right? Am I-
Medicine, but all of them taste like medicine. Kind of medicine.
All right, so it's my turn.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna have to get the pepper banana chips.
Ugh.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, I never had fried banana before in a shit.
The scissor.
Start opening. Just to get to the point. I don't know what it is in these other countries. They seal their bags good, boy. They ain't like America. You just pop.
Ooh, it already smell bad.
Let me get a brave soldier and get two.
Goodness. Well, you gonna be brave.
Yeah, you be brave.
What's this black stuff?
That's like
Pepper.
peppery, banana.
All right, pepper banana chips.
All right.
Ugh. Ooh. Oh my. Ooh. Boy.
It
You know
wasn't-
what?
I was able to eat it. It wasn't so
I'm just
acid.
not gonna even go there.
Yeah, I'm
It's
just gonna
best
put it
That's
down. I'm not gonna say
I'll
anything.
give you.
I'm just gonna put it down. I ain't gonna say nothing.
I took her napkin. I'm sorry, babe. Give me another napkin, already. I'm so sorry, Mama.
Well,
Ew, this stinks.
these are interesting. They
Yeah, all
are-
of this is interesting.
Who
Give me
turn
one
it
more.
is?
one more.
Imani.
Come on,
Put all this right here. Give me one more.
I'm gonna give y'all the whole entire roll because I already know y'all about to get used.
What's stink? The food?
There's some stink.
Y'all let us know. Comment down below. And y'all let us know.
No.
Might as well get all them
What
out
y'all
the way.
want us to do next?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Also
man.
comment below and let us know, have you guys even tried these snacks before?
Right.
Yeah, that's what I want to know.
So we got some chips in the container. They call it Mithi Para.
Let me see.
Hold it up so they can see.
Let me see the name of it. Okay, Mithi Para. Okay, Mithi Para.
They look like some, it look like some pizza rolls.
What you gonna do?
You gotta open it right here. Well, dang, they got this close. Yeah, you can see it, but I already smelled.
Yeah, I need
I ain't open it like that because
I ain't gonna
you just wanna be
lie.
able to
I
close.
smell curry on those. I do.
It smells like some sweet something.
Onion or garlic, curry.
There you go. God, y'all ain't even ate them yet.
I
Y'all
don't think we was
already
ready for
doing
this.
that. Y'all off the chain. Y'all.
Ugh.
We wasn't ready for this review right here.
Smells sweet.
Ooh, it smell like curry.
It smells like something sweet in it.
Sweet,
Curry.
milky.
curry. This was curry. Okay.
All right, there we go, y'all.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh no.
Mm.
Hey, please pass me those napkins. Please.
Ugh.
Oh no. Please.
Oh my.
Uh-oh.
And you know what?
There's no disrespect, y'all. It just
Yeah,
man.
no, yeah. I'm
It's
not
just-
trying to be mean or disrespect anybody.
Man,
I mean, this is a review, so this is, you know, this is what it is, you know.
Okay, Mom. Wait. Oh, is it Mama's turn?
Who
It's my
turn?
turn.
It's your turn.
All right, let's see if we can sweeten this up or something.
My
Get it
mouth
back.
just got this foul.
Nasty. Just all these nasty stuff. Not nasty, but all this like
Flavors.
stuff we don't like in our mouth. It
I
kinda,
think this is gonna fix it. All right, it's called Good Day Chocolate Chip Cookies.
they look good though.
Indian chocolate chip cookie though. Let's see that. That's right. Hopefully this is kind of brighten everybody back up or
No,
something.
no.
It smell like hot cocoa chocolate.
Mmm.
That smells good though. Okay.
All right, y'all. Chocolate chip cookies. Let's try that out. There you go.
Not too bad. Oh, it's good actually.
Not bad, baby.
Let's biting it up
A little bit
right
better,
there.
yeah.
I don't like that.
That's not too bad. I don't think it's too bad.
I don't like that. It's too chocolatey.
Not bad, baby.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
It's good though.
It
It tastes
smells
better
like
than
hot,
the chips and stuff.
It smells like chocolate milk.
So it's your turn, babe. You had these. Move these up the way.
No, I was hoping you won't choose those.
Why?
That might be better.
What is that?
Pan for sand candy.
Okay. So let's. You might have to cut it.
That's it.
This is hilarious.
That smell.
What that smell like?
I don't know.
Here, let me go grab some more now.
Good.
It just smell like some incense. God,
Oh, it smell like incense. It smell like
some kind of
Some
lavender.
medication. Some of that.
Mm.
Okay. Anyway. All right.
You got one of them?
Yeah, no, yeah, I got one.
Alright, let people see. You know what this remind me of? That strawberry candy we used to eat back in the
Oh,
day.
yeah.
That's what this remind me of.
All right. Ugh.
Take
No
mine.
way.
I didn't try mine yet.
Give me Give me a napkin. Hurry up. Fast. Hurry up.
That tastes like some detergent soap, man. I don't know.
Detergent? How you know what detergent sauce
I
is?
don't know.
It does.
I don't know how it smell, but
But it's
it
yeah.
kind of got that same. I don't know.
Yeah.
It tastes like some kind of lavender soap or incense mix with it. Or you like the incense up. Mm.
It do. I ain't gonna. I never
Jay,
tried.
I ain't never had no detergent soap. But I can imagine it tastes like that a bit. I don't know. That's
All right,
kind
it's
of
my
nice.
turn, right? Okay.
It smells like old-fashioned smell.
All right, so
And a little kid on there, he just make it look like he just don't want to eat it.
these are called Parley G. Parley G. Parley G.
He don't even think he's smiling.
It's a
He just
girl,
got me
Daddy.
thinking he ain't good.
Daddy's a girl.
Or the little girl, she don't think she's smiling.
They smell kind of okay. Like,
Graham crackers.
It do kind of got like a graham cracker smell to it.
all right.
Oh, this smells actually good though. It,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
smells good.
But do it taste good?
Okay.
Not too bad.
It's a graham cracker.
I like it.
I like the little design.
Mm-hmm.
Look like a little mat when you walk up to your door.
Okay. We did good with this one, y'all. So far, so good. Tastes like a sugar cookie.
I don't know. The rest.
It's like a graham cracker.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. I taste some funny in there.
What you taste funny?
That wasn't that bad.
Mm-mm. Oh, that tastes something funny in it now.
All right. So,
So-
it's Armani turn.
All right.
That's enough.
All right. Let me see what else. What's this? Good Day. It's called Good Day.
What's the name? What flavor it is? It's gotta be a flavor or something. I don't know.
Kiss the almond.
Okay, that might not be bad. Almond pretty decent.
Teddy, you want to say hi, Papa?
Yeah, we're gonna show Teddy at the end of the video. And he can't wait to say, he wants to say
wait.
hello so bad.
I don't know.
Oh, it
Oh,
smells
it
good.
smells like onions.
See, I can't.
No, it don't smell like some creamy.
I ain't finna do all this sniff test mess, man. We just gonna eat it, be a G about it, man.
All right, no. But so here's the challenge. You have to eat the whole thing.
No.
Oh, I'm not eating no.
Yeah, we gotta eat the whole thing.
Eat the whole
Oh,
thing.
you too? Y'all too?
No, all of us
I'm
eat
not.
the whole
I'm
thing.
not gonna do it.
$5. Everybody gotta eat it all.
I eat
Yes,
the whole.
I will.
I eat the whole thing.
All right,
And
go.
chew and swallow too.
Go.
3,
Two,
2, 1, go.
Armani, you ate the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
like a lemon cookie.
I don't like it. I guess I'm
It's
not
like a
getting
lemon
my.
cookie a little bit.
I
Yeah,
guess,
you got chew and swallow it.
I
I
guess
don't like
I guess I'm not getting my $5.
Me neither.
It sounds like a lemon cookie.
Mm-mm. Oh yeah. I'm swallowing it. So me no.
Is it a tie?
Nah, nobody get it because we both ate it.
Nah, don't lie. Armani swallowed.
Oh, hey, my fault.
Oh no, Armani, you lost. You still got cookie in your mouth.
No, wait.
Ah,
Hey,
no.
let me eat it. Hold on, let me eat it.
I was trying to challenge me to food challenges and stuff. Yeah, I know, but at least when it comes down to, I'm gonna win that.
Okay,
But at
Daddy.
the end of the day, it wasn't that bad. It tastes like a lemon cookie to me.
Your turn, Daddy.
All right, this is
A good day again.
what flavor this is? Tea time biscuit.
Go.
Tea time biscuit.
Might not be so bad.
So let's see what this tea time biscuit talking about, y'all. It's like another cracker again. Yeah, another cracker.
These are big. This might break.
So here we get up. Tea time
I
biscuit.
see a little T right here.
You see the tea? Yeah, you showed you got a teacup on the imprinted on the cookie
Oh
or the
yeah.
cracker.
I don't know. It smells kind of funky.
Show everybody else cookies.
Yes.
All right. Not too bad. It's not too bad.
It don't taste like nothing. Though.
It's not bad though.
This snapper's not on.
So far the cookies have been decent.
Not most of the cookies have been decent, not all.
But it's just been the chips, I guess y'all been having complaints. In certain candy, I ain't like.
You don't like it? I like it. It's good. I give it a 8 out of 10.
I give it a 7.
A 7 too.
6 for me.
All right, so who is that on? That's on
My
there?
turn.
What we got left? Because we really should be about how many more snacks we got left?
So,
We only got 2 more snacks left, I think.
All right, so
oh, did we open? Oh, we did.
we got to still open these up.
Yeah.
Let's get these open. Let's how I get this on our board. Because these originally were supposed to be open originally. So the bell, these the extra hot ones.
Okay, hold on my water.
You scared? You got your water with you before you ate it?
Woo woo woo!
I'll take it.
Man, the
Bruh.
bad ones, they'll smell like they.
Ugh.
Pardon.
Man,
Man, I'm scared.
Let me smell.
Take it back. I don't want it.
All right, everybody just get a little bit out.
No.
Give me a napkin, honey.
they want
Get it-
stick.
Let
Nah.
me get it ready.
No, get you more than that.
Get you a smoke.
Everybody get their napkins ready.
Ugh.
Yeah. Make sure y'all get y'all some.
No, you get you some.
Yeah, you
Make sure you get you some.
Get a handful.
Get your hand, not a bird piece. Nope. All of it.
No, I got a handful.
It's a handful. There you go.
You know, this remind me of no offense. Like, you know, bird food. You
Yeah.
feed the birds and stuff.
Oh, they do remind me of some bird food.
It smells, terrible. My goodness.
Oh, you get all that, man. You know.
I told you I was getting a handful.
So that means you got y'all that too.
Oh, he ain't gonna be able to.
Oh, no, not oh.
Get you a handful.
Give me a chance. Let me get a chance.
Yeah, grab a handful.
Let me get a chance to get
Like
out the
you
bag.
told us.
Your hand's bigger than mine,
Get you a
so.
handful.
See, that's a handful.
No,
No,
that's not a
that's
handful.
bird. That's bird.
Absolutely not.
That's
Get you a
bird.
handful. Look at me with my little bit on here. And
Right.
barely got any.
Y'all got bird food.
It's only because my hands stink. Like,
All right, y'all. We can't really pick it up. To show y'all, I can try to see if I can give you a hand
I'm
of
just
it.
gonna give y'all one little stick.
One little stick.
There you go. Let's see.
He said,
There you go. There you go.
There you go.
Okay, let's try.
all right, let's try it.
Oh,
Negative.
negative. Hold on, let me just, wait, there's different stuff.
Oh, whoa. Bad boys.
They hot.
They hot.
Yeah.
Wait. Since we
Alright.
I got like, it gave us like some peanuts and stuff.
Go ahead and eat all of that. The whole thing.
I spit
What?
mine out.
What is that?
The peanuts not bad.
Ugh. I would throw. I cannot do this. I can't.
I'm running out.
Where's
Do you like
this-
it?
Mm.
That's spicy.
That's a,
Yeah, that's too spicy. I was next. Who this one, man?
okay. Let's see. We got
Oh, yeah,
two
that's too
things
spicy.
left. Cashews. All right. So these are Good Day cashew cookies.
Cashew. I like cashew, so I think this.
Yeah, me too.
Hopefully this be
I never heard of that before.
the cashew
Peanuts.
peanuts.
Hopefully they
Oh
good.
yeah, the little peanut on it.
The cashew peanuts.
Oh yeah.
All right, these cashew crackers, cookies. Let's try these out.
Not too bad.
The cookies ain't been letting me down.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's not too bad. It kind of got like a sweet taste to it, coconut taste.
Coconutish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I give
So
it
what's
a
the
6.
Would you give it a 6? I said 7. What about you?
7.
I'd give it a 6.
Yeah. It was
So
sweet.
what's the next snack?
What we got next in mind? Who turn is it?
Amani turn.
Alright, so.
So remember y'all, this is the grand finale, the last snack on the table.
And it's funny because the last snack is called, it got gold in it. Anyway, it's called Parley Gold.
What
Parley
kind of
Gold.
flavor that is?
It's, they don't say the
They don't
flavor.
say.
It's probably the same thing as
It's a mystery snack or something?
Hold on. Yeah,
you
you
can
you
use the
scissors.
scissors along with the
They make sure you don't get them things on snacks.
These the cookies been good. I can't complain. The cookies have been decent. What they were giving out.
Hold on.
These are like some more doormats again. Doormat cookies again.
Like a picture for
Let me see. Let me just make sure. They ain't got no flavor. I see.
They smell good.
It
though.
smell like the graham crackers we had
They do
earlier.
smell good. They might be kind of similar to the same other snack.
Not bad.
Pretty good. Not too bad.
A 6 again.
A 6.
I give this a 7.
A 6.
What about you, Monty?
I'll give it I'll give it a 3.
A 3. Dang.
That's a low score, man.
It was not pleasant. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. I got
So, overall, man, what did y'all think about this whole experience that we just had on the table?
This whole experience is like a roller coaster going up and then going down. That's all I gotta
Yeah,
say.
it's definitely different. Will I try it again? Just stay tuned. Got something different for y'all. But yeah, this is definitely
Maybe
it's a good experience because, like I said, this is a review and it's my first time, actually everybody's first time trying Indian Pakistan snacks.
Who knows? Maybe if this video get a bunch of views, we can do a part 2.
That's right.
Yeah, we can get this video to, I'd say 100 views. We'll redo
Part
this
2 for
again.
y'all.
We'll redo it again. But overall, I thought it was a decent experience, something new cultural stuff.
Yeah.
But it was a roller coaster.
Definitely.
It was a
What do you
major
think,
roller coaster.
Nevaeh?
It was kind of crazy, but some snacks were good.
What about you?
I think it was a roller coaster.
Yeah.
It was up and down.
All right, so one more thing, guys, before we end this. We got somebody we want y'all that been wanting to say hi to y'all for a long time.
That Teddy wants to give everybody a hello.
Fat
Teddy, say hi. Teddy, say what's up.
Aww.
Say welcome to the family.
Hello, Robinson.
This is Teddy, guys.
I think he want one of these snacks. You want the spicy chip?
No,
Teddy, you wanna
no.
Let him try a little cookie.
Aw.
He even spit it out.
He spit it. Oh no, he eating it.
He like it?
So
Oh yeah, he eating it. He like it.
Oh
I
my
thought he
God.
spit it out. So guys, man, If you like this video, you guys, you know what you gotta do. Thumbs it up, like it, subscribe to the channel, and like I said, guys, stay tuned. Peace.